What's good, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train, and one of the things I always say is for every iPhone, for every great iPhone, you need a great screen protector. That's funny. I don't know if y'all know that about people. Like everybody always be like, "Yo, something I always say. I always say this. Never said none of that in their life." I find that hilarious. If you spend anything over a certain amount of money, you definitely should be protecting your joint. And today we got a screen protector installation video for you guys, and I'm gonna be walking you guys through that. It's one of the simplest screen protectors I've ever put on, and that's part of the reasons why it's kind of dope. So let's go ahead and get it. What's good, y'all? It's your man Wayne Train. We back with another joint. Screen protector installation video. Here it is. It's a walkthrough style, a little bit of voiceover. So not something I'm normally used to. I normally like doing all this stuff all at once. Then you guys see it, and honestly, it's just a lot easier for me. Like, I don't know why. I just like doing it like that. But we're gonna go ahead and start it off with an initial wipe down. Get yourself whatever microfiber cleaning cloth you got. Wipe it down nice and clean. Get it all nice and shiny for the installation, because we're gonna do some more cleaning anyway throughout the process. But go ahead and getting inside. We're gonna empty out the box with the contents. We got our instructions. We got our accessory pack. And we got the frame. With a screen protector already in it, but we're gonna go ahead and get into that accessory pack, which is gonna have your alcohol wipes, your dust removal stickers and stuff like that. So, and it also has a microfiber cleaning cloth in there as well. So, we're gonna go ahead and get into that alcohol wipe first. As you can see, I'm trash. I ripped it. It's, just trying to. I don't know. I don't think I was doing anything too fast. Actually, I was. You know what it was I had a plan actually to make this video into a short, and it just was not working out for your boy. And yeah, so I tried to put it together. I don't know. People who do shorts are a special breed. I'm gonna leave that alone. That's not my bag. I'm not doing shorts. But anyway, back into the installation. Go ahead and get that dust removal sticker. Knock it down, get any dust that you can see. Honestly, I don't think there was any dust on the screen at this point. I'm just doing it just for, habit and, peace of mind for the most part. So yeah, go ahead and do that up. Next, we're gonna get into the frame. Now, the frame already has a screen protector inside of it. One of the things you gotta make sure you put it on right. The part that that has to go towards the top of the phone is labeled up and down, I believe. And the tab is what we're gonna do. The tab has to be pulled back, so that has to be at the bottom. So just remember that. One of the things I was doing though here is making sure there was no dust, because dust is obviously your enemy in this whole thing, this whole process. You gotta make sure you can minimize dust as much as possible. I'm hitting dust removal stickers. I'm using it multiple times. Right now, I'm trying to blow whatever dust that may be inside of the frame, but honestly, that's unnecessary. The way that it's constructed, which is why it's so dope, is the pull tab method actually pulls back. So when you pull it back, it's gonna pretty much keep dust out automatically. So we went ahead and slapped it on, like I said, like a case. Got your tab right there. Press down firmly on a table or a flat surface. Pull back, and voila. Pop that off real quick. Now, one of the things I do that's a bad habit is when I pull these things off and put the screen protector on, I like to press it down like that. So do not do what I'm doing right here. Don't do that. Go ahead and let it, put the phone down. I think you press like once in the middle if it's not initiating, but for the most part, let it settle out on its own as much as possible before you start pressing down on it. Because I was left with a couple bubbles, as you can see, the one that I'm pressing right there. But the end result after a full 24 hours, super duper clean. You ain't got to worry about none of those bubbles. They pretty much got themselves out over time. Actually, it wasn't even 24 hours. I believe it was something like that same day. It's just with heat and all that stuff. Now I sincerely apologize. I went this whole entire video pretty much just saying it's a screen protector. I did not tell you where it's from. This is from Benks. Benks has been killing it for me. I love the products that I'm seeing or that I'm getting from Benks. It is in the title, obviously, you'll see, but at the same time, I gotta give them a shout out for what they're doing. They didn't send me none of this stuff, but it's well worth the price. Links and everything will be below if you are interested. Definitely would appreciate a like, share, and do whatever you can to get this out. But anyway, as you can see in the video, there was already a pre-installed screen protector inside the frame. You didn't have to do any type of setup. Now, the one that I bought comes with two, so in the event that your screen protector does crack and you want to replace it, I'm gonna show you how to get that set up so that way you can get the tab method going again. So here we are. Here's your frame. So you want to keep your frame. Now, I like this method. Obviously, you can definitely just put it on like normal. You even got another additional accessories pack. Now, the other screen protector is inside this nice little envelope. And we're gonna go ahead and pull this one out. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and slap this one in before when I'm ready for the next one. So it's pretty simple over here. So what you're gonna do here, just check out the screen protector itself. It actually has some labels on it. So on the front side, it says top, side, and side. And right here in the middle, I may not be able to catch that on the camera, but it does say this side faces the magic align tool. So what you're gonna do is flip this around, grab the tool, align that white part up to that black little piece right there. So slap that right up in there. I'm just gonna press down a little firmly up there at the top. Oops. So, okay. There we go. Now we're all ready for our next install. Make sure that tab right there is peeking to the bottom. So that way when you're ready, you just bow. So now you're all set up for your next install. Put your stuff back. And good to go. And that concludes the installation. Hit me up in the comments though for sure. Let me know what you guys think about this this installation. Once again, this is the Benks screen protector, matte screen protector, by the way. So yeah, it's your man Wayne Train. We out.